Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best vapor shower tablets is probably one of the most effective and convenient ways to relieve congestion and coughs, offering a spa-like experience in the comfort of your own home. In this video, we will explore what makes a great vapor shower tablet, helping you choose the best one for your needs, and I will share my honest review on some of the top products available on the market. Number 5. Body Restore Shower Steamers. These aromatherapy shower steamers dissolve in your shower, releasing essential oils for deep relaxation and relief. They make perfect gifts for anyone who needs a little pampering. Enjoy a luxurious spa experience from the comfort of your own home. It lasts longer than other shower steamers, offering a truly restorative experience. Melt away daily stress with these relaxing shower bombs. They're ideal for self-care or as a thoughtful gift for someone who deserves some relaxation. Compact and convenient, these steamers are perfect for travel. Take relaxation with you wherever you go, making them great for students or anyone on the move. Show your loved ones you care with this thoughtful gift. They're perfect for any occasion, from holidays to birthdays, and make a unique present. What we like. It offers a deeply relaxing aromatherapy experience that lasts longer than many other shower steamers. Its compact size makes it perfect for travel. If you're looking for a portable way to unwind, this is a great option for you, especially if you enjoy eucalyptus scents and need a self-care boost on the go. What people say. It's so simple. While your shower is heating up, cut open the little packet and remove the tablet. Place the tablet on the floor of your steamy shower and enjoy. It produces the perfect amount of aromatherapy and dissolves in about the same time as your shower. Amazing. We have tried several steamers and these are by far the best. First off, they smell amazing. Some steamers don't have the best smells, but these do. They also last a long time in the shower and truly add to the steam experience. The smell of each pod was absolutely soothing and filled the bathroom with a calming aroma. The steamers dissolve slowly and release just the right amount of fragrance without being overpowering. Number 4. Vicks VapoShower Plus. Looking for a thoughtful present? It's ideal for any occasion, from holidays to birthdays, or even a little self-care treat. Turn your daily shower into a relaxing spa experience. It infuses soothing vapors into the steam, creating a mini sauna. Experience the most intense, sensory experience yet with our strongest non-medicated formula. It's specially designed for ultimate comfort. Enjoy a delightful aroma with our proprietary blend of eucalyptus and essential oils, enhanced with menthol and camphor. It's 10% stronger than before. Simply place it on the shower floor before you start your shower. It dissolves completely, leaving no mess behind. Enjoy this anytime, whether you need an invigorating start to your day or a relaxing end to a long one. It's perfect for your daily routine. What we like. This one boasts strong, soothing vapors thanks to its unique formulation. It's from a trusted brand known for its quality. If you want an intense, sensory experience and prefer a familiar brand, this is the one for you, especially if you need a powerful, yet non-medicated, way to relieve congestion. What people say. Simple way to add a soothing scent to your shower. The tablet left no residue, nothing to clean up after. I will definitely purchase again. These work great to help you breathe better because of the menthol and eucalyptus. I put them in the shower in all hot water and just breathe and relax. Love how it is non-intrusive and can be run under a shower while you breathe the steam in. Number 3. Body Restore Bath Bombs. Unwind with the calming scent of lavender. These bath bombs are infused with natural essential oils to help you relax and de-stress before bed. They make a thoughtful gift for anyone needing some pampering. Transform your bathroom into a luxurious spa. Enjoy a longer-lasting, more immersive experience than with typical shower steamers. It's the perfect way to indulge in some self-care. Melt away the day's worries with these soothing bath bombs. They're ideal for relieving stress and fatigue, making them a perfect gift for teachers, new parents, or anyone who deserves a little relaxation. Take relaxation on the go. Their compact size makes them perfect for travel, ensuring you can unwind wherever you are. Great for college students or anyone who appreciates self-care on the go. Show your appreciation with a thoughtful gift. These bath bombs are perfect for any occasion, from holidays to birthdays. They're a unique and relaxing present for friends, family, or colleagues. What we like. It provides a calming lavender scent perfect for nighttime relaxation and lasts longer than many competitors. It's also conveniently sized for travel. If you need a relaxing way to unwind before bed and appreciate lavender, this is an excellent choice for you, especially if you need a portable self-care option. What people say. The steamers are exceeding my expectations. The scent was very strong, filled my bathroom with an aromatic atmosphere. The scent is strong enough to fill the entire shower, but not overpowering, providing the perfect balance for a truly immersive aromatherapy experience. They are made from natural ingredients, ensuring a gentle and safe experience for all skin types. The steamers dissolve slowly, providing a long-lasting aromatic effect throughout the shower. Number 2. Shower Steamers Aromatherapy. Unwind and de-stress with our shower steamers. They create a spa-like atmosphere, leaving you feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. These shower steamers are formulated with 3% pure essential oils, including menthol, peppermint, and eucalyptus. Enjoy an invigorating aromatherapy experience with every use. Give the gift of self-care with these luxurious shower bombs. They're ideal for anyone who appreciates a relaxing and therapeutic experience at home. Simply place it on the shower floor, away from the direct water stream. Add a few splashes of warm water to activate, and enjoy the aromatic steam. We use only nourishing and cruelty-free ingredients. We're confident you'll love them, but if not, our customer service is always here to help. What we like. This shower steamer offers a soothing aromatherapy experience using pure essential oils. It creates a spa-like atmosphere in your own shower. If you value natural ingredients and want to transform your shower into a mini spa, this is the perfect option for you, especially if you enjoy the invigorating combination of peppermint and eucalyptus. What people say. The scents are incredibly relaxing and long-lasting, filling the bathroom with a pleasant aroma without being overwhelming. I love how each steamer dissolves slowly, releasing the perfect fragrance throughout the shower. These shower steamers last a good amount of time for a long shower. The smell is really nice. These are perfect to use after a long day and just want to take a nice hot relaxing shower. They don't dissolve too quickly and the smell is amazing. Number 1. Cold Kicker Shower Steamers. Transform your daily shower into a relaxing spa experience. These shower steamers infuse pure essential oils for an affordable at-home escape. Enjoy only the benefits of natural essential oils. It's a healthier way to enjoy aromatherapy, without artificial scents or perfumes. Each steamer is handcrafted in the USA, ensuring the highest quality and attention to detail. We oversee every step of the process. Experience the invigorating blend of peppermint and eucalyptus. This minty aroma will leave you feeling refreshed and revitalized. Looking for a unique and thoughtful gift? These shower steamers are perfect for any occasion and for people of all ages and preferences. What we like. It delivers a natural aromatherapy experience using only pure essential oils, with no artificial fragrances. It's also made in the USA. If you prioritize natural ingredients and support American-made products, this is the one for you, especially if you are looking for a high-quality, all-natural aromatherapy experience. What people say. They are very strong, that's what makes them so great. Packaging to keep the smell down and shipment was excellent. The peppermint and eucalyptus aroma cleanses your sinuses and leaves you feeling truly rejuvenated. The scent is strong, not asphyxiating. So, and considering their size and the amount of them in each package, having so much potency condensed into one singular steamer compensates for the price. We've tried other brands of shower steamers, and while some have been more economical, these have been the most naturally fragrant, rather than expelling any sort of chemical scent. These definitely work well. They dissolve appropriately in the shower as opposed to others that never dissolve. The smell is quite strong, but it's great for clearing out your sinuses. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.